I want to sort them out to make sure that they are no longer in this ostrich or brass. So once I'm able to do this, I will show you a video on how I did it. Alright, so you can see a lot of them here, but they're already black. So I want to make sure that I remove them from this ostrich, and once I remove them, then I'll take them to where they will become fly, and that's all for this circle. So I have started removing the pupae from the substrate. So just normal shearing, Don't worry if you have some balls like this, don't worry, very soon they will become flies. So you can see here we have some pupae here. Alright, so you can see, so, and that is, just shave it out just to move the substrate, because these things too, we also sell it to the substrate. After the final sorting, we have this. You can see what we have here is just BSF levels, nothing else, no boas. You can see this is substrate. We have sorted them out. So this is it. This is what we have. So this will be going into the BSF net. This will be going into the BSF net, as you can see. This is what we have. Nothing. There are only few here. So this one will be kept inside a bag. Because customers will come and pick them up for fertilization, or better still, we can use it in our farm too. So coming here, you can see. So this is special. Let me just arrange a valve so that we can put them inside the BSF net. So we want to transfer this BSF into this bowl, because they can't be in this bowl. This is the bowl we use for the net. So we just transfer everything here. Transfer everything here. Alright, so these are the BSF, and we spread it. So within 7 days, which is a week, all these things you see here will become a fly. And we start from there. We start extracting eggs, and don't worry, I will show you the process on how we are extracting eggs from them. So for now, this will be the end of the video. You can actually start this thing to minimize cost of feed in your farm. So this is what we do in order to reduce the cost of feed. The cost of feed is skyrocketing every day. So this is just a little idea we know, just to make sure that we stay in the business.